Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Glambykiki and I'm coming at you with a how to apply lashes video today. And the first thing we're gonna do is jump right into this video. But before that, what I would like for you guys to do is subscribe to my channel, click that notification bell that's below, just to make sure that you get notified every time I upload. I'll be uploading more 3 times a week. And yeah, don't forget to like this video, give it a thumbs up, as well as comment down below, and everything that will be used in the video will be in the description box down below. So the first thing that you are going to want to grab is your handy dandy mascara. Your trusty mascara, could be any type of mascara as long as it makes your lashes longer and gives it a little coat. Okay, and then we're gonna start off with that. I'm using my Bad Gal Bang from Benefit Cosmetics. I'm gonna go ahead and do 1 coat of mascara. And if you see me looking down this way, guys, it's because I have my mirror and I have my monitor right over here on this side. So if you see me looking now, you know what I'm doing. So I'm doing a nice little coat. I'm not doing anything too dramatic because we are putting some falsies on. So I'm doing that. Right. So then after that, you're gonna want to go in with a pencil liner. You want to go ahead and tight line on your top lash line, just so there's no negative space of like skin showing, and it blends in and it looks all one color of black. So I'm using Urban Decay 24/7 Glide On pencil in the shade 0. You can use this technique with or without liner. After this, you go ahead and you grab your favorite pair of lashes, and mine just so happens to be the House of Lashes Natalia. They're the collaboration one with Sephora collection. These are my ultimate fave. Like, I stack up on these bad boys just for the simple fact that I do not have to cut them, which is amazing because I hate cutting my lashes. Especially if you're a beginner, you want to make sure that you grab the easiest one, and this one is the House of Lashes glue. This is the clear one, the white one, and it's brush on, which is super good because it's super easy application. It's not a mess. You don't have to squeeze into it, and you just go ahead and coat your rim of your lash nicely. Not too much, but just enough. Okay guys, you guys need to stop. My dogs, every time I film, they're like getting crazy. They want my attention once I'm filming. Okay, so you want to make sure it's just like this, just enough. And you do not have to wait a long period of time for these to dry. It has such a quick dry period, which is amazing. You don't have to wait 1 whole entire minute. Literally like 2 to like 8 seconds, I would say. If you have any questions of if I look like oily or very dewy, is because I drenched myself in spray from Cover FX, the illuminating one, and I think I went a little too overboard. I don't know, like, what you think? Let me know in the comments down below if I went overboard or I look fine. Okay, so I'm grabbing my tweezer. You can use lash tweezers, but you are gonna need these if you're beginning with applying lashes, just because they give you a little bit more grip, a little bit more help with placement. So I'm using a no brand one. It's just any one. You can use any type of lash tweezer or just regular tweezer. So I'm going in, and you want to make sure you grab it at the middle, just so you have a little bit more control, just like this, just like that. And then you want to go ahead and look down into a mirror. You never want to look straight ahead. You want to look down into a mirror. Ew, my lipstick. You want to look down into the mirror and you want to go ahead and do placement. And doing that will literally, look, literally lay right on your lash bed. So I'm gonna get a little bit closer into the mirror, so bear with me, guys. So I like to put it, center it, then I like to grab the sides and adjust them. And then after that, I like to pinch with my fingers. I like to pinch it with my fingers just so I know that my lash is secured. And voila, you have one lash put on already. See, the dry period time is so perfect for these lashes. Add and gently pinch and push in, just like that. What I also like to do, if you don't want to use your fingers to push them up a little bit, what I like to do is grab the ends of the tweezer and just push them up gently. Don't get savage. Look how beautiful. Want to go ahead and cover up the lash band. You can go in with the same liquid liner that you used for the top, and you could go ahead and gently just press over the lash band and coat it until it's black and it blends in with your liner. That's like my most recommended tip when trying to blend your lashes and make them look like one or just yours in general. If you're looking for that natural kind of no lash but lash kind of application, you know. I hope you guys found this video very informative and very quick and easy, because there shouldn't be a 10-minute long video on how to apply lashes, especially for beginners. The only thing you guys will need is a good amount of, little bit amount of tools that will definitely help you with your application, which is the 2 liners, the lash glue, the tweezer, the mascara, and the actual lash. So these are the only items that you are going to need. You don't need anything else. You don't need no lash curler. You got your mascara. Practice makes perfect. So this is the end of the video. I'm gonna zoom you guys in just so you can see how the lashes are laying. And this is how they look. I hope you guys really found this video very helpful. Don't forget to leave any of your comments or questions down below. Everything I did use in this video will be in the description box down below. And do not forget to thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. And click on that notification bell so you are notified every time I upload. And I see you guys in my next video. Bye. Mwah.